Yes, right here, so I'm only with a lot of things. And I'm going to give you a code for them. You hear?
Wagwan viewers and subscribers, and I don't know say on a boy dancehall trend. Is it? And what the first thing I want to do? Subscribe to the channel, like, share, click on the notification bell. Now, today we come for talk about it, because I don't know say anything a trend in a dancehall, we are going to talk about it. Now it is said allegedly that the official gold god was arrested and charged today for possession of over 100 million Jamaican dollars and over 1,050 US dollars. Now, where the money they come from, I have no clue. But it is said allegedly that he was arrested and charged today. Well, we don't get no more information yet about it, any updates regards to if, you know, I just want music video them or what the case may be. But people have it for say, yo, the man get locked up still, you see me, but I could wait for some more updates, because I don't know, say, we have the fresh news them phone in. But what I want to know, if you don't know what really take place, leave it in the comment section below. You don't know dancehall trend, subscribe, notification bell.
Officer crowd.
Yeah, man, I'm in custody right now.
Yeah, alright, I'm can't follow. No joke.
Sir, stand up, praise and wait. Wait.
Alright.
You have a liar?
Yeah, the liar, no man, let's put it alright, you see me?
Alright then. As soon as possible, I want your life to come inside here.
Yeah, yes sir, no problem.
Alright, you can sit now. You can sit.
Officer, you have to pick up yourself today. You know, so we not violate.
Brother, let's talk in. Alright?
Remember, only my bad man, police friend, me have to, you know.
Hear me, sir?
No,
Let's talk in.
Sorry,
Let's talk in.
Sorry, my boss.
Alright, thank you very much, sir. Alright. This brother here is right here, so I'm only with a lot of things. And I'm going to give you a code for them. You hear? Who know him?